want to be a video artist on social media or make tutorials and look like a pro, use screen recording. I was surprised to learn about this as being old-fashioned and using my phone video camera. Here is an example. I recorded a video on YouTube which I wanted to share on Facebook showing one of my music icons. When you need to record, select Control Center and click on this double circle icon. When it turns red, it is recording all activity on your iPad. You could also use this to share map routes with people. Screen recording is useful in plenty of ways, and the quality is exceptional. To end your recording, you simply click on this icon on the top of your iPad. Thank you for watching and see you next time.